Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a low center of gravity in soccer. Mastering this technique is crucial for every player, regardless of their position. By lowering your body, you gain significant advantages in balance and control. This fundamental skill allows you to react faster, change direction more efficiently, and maintain possession under pressure. Let's dive into the practical steps to achieve this powerful playing style. To achieve a low center of gravity, begin by bending your knees significantly, almost as if you are about to sit down. Your back should remain straight, and your chest should be positioned over your knees. This posture ensures your weight is distributed evenly over the balls of your feet, allowing for explosive movements. Keep your arms slightly out to the sides for additional balance and readiness. When dribbling, consistently maintain your low stance. This allows for superior ball control, keeping the ball within a 1-foot radius of your body. Use small, frequent touches to guide the ball precisely. For quick turns, shift your weight rapidly to the inside of your pivot foot, pushing off powerfully. This technique makes you incredibly difficult for defenders to dispossess, enhancing your offensive capabilities. A low center of gravity is equally vital in defensive situations. When defending, lower your body to enhance your stability for tackles and interceptions. Position yourself strategically between your opponent and the goal, ready to react to their movements. This stance allows you to quickly shift your weight and use your body to shield the ball effectively, making it challenging for attackers to penetrate your defense.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.